we're looking at understanding electrical potential from electrical field. So electrical field has to do with mapping the force that a charge exerts on another charge, and so on and so forth, right? We can have a bunch of charges exerting force on bunch of charges, but yeah, actually that is unit charge. It has to be so. Now, how is that we're going to do it? Well, technically, we know that electrical field is negative gradient, potential gradient, right? So we have seen this. So as a vector, this would be the scenario. So we are trying to figure out dV. So if we rearrange this, it will be minus E dr. We have seen this, right? Now we are trying to figure out the electrical potential. So electrical potential has to do with moving something from infinity to, right? Is it not? Point A and so on and so forth. So this is a small voltage that is between two different points which are very nearby, a small distance of dr. We are trying to figure out the potential difference. That's what this represents. Now if I want to find it for entire range, like say 10 meters away, what do I need to know? I need to add all the dVs. So basically we are integrating. So from a space of v1 to v2, and here from a distance of r1 to r2. Agree? Now when it comes to potential, electrical potential, right? So find out electric potential. Actually, it's not capital letter per se. At a point we need to move or get the charge of unit unit magnitude. From where? From infinity. That's the main point actually. So basically we're getting from infinity to a particular point, right? So that's what we're trying to figure out. So basically potential at say point R is given by moving the charge from infinity to point R. And this is how you figure out. Yes. Does it make sense? All we have to do is we are trying to figure out a potential at a point. How can we do that? All we have to do is work by figure out the work to carry the 1 coulomb charge from infinity to a particular point R, which is R units away from a source charge. So let's look into the result. Actually, I kind of explained everything, so I don't think we need this. Right? Does it make sense? It has to do with your definition. That's all, nothing else. We came back to the definition.